If you clicked on this video, you already know paid software is a trap. So today, I'm replacing it with free alternatives. Save your money and make your work insanely easy. Let's get straight into it. Let's start with Photoshop Alternative. Photopea. This website works almost exactly like Photoshop. You get layers, masks, blending modes, smart objects, filters, even PSD support. People pay monthly for Adobe, but Photopea does 80% of the same job right inside your browser. No installation, no license, no headache. For designers on a budget, this tool is a lifesaver. Everyone uses Premiere or Final Cut for editing, but CapCut PC has quietly become a most people choice. You get auto captions, AI background removal, keyframing, color grading, templates, transitions, everything fast and lightweight. For YouTubers, Reels creators, and short-form editors, CapCut replaces 80% of paid editing tools. And the AI features save hours. This one feels illegal, but it's not. SciSpace takes any PDF or research paper and explains it in simple English. Confusing charts, complicated formulas, scientific jargon, gone. It's perfect for students, office workers, or anyone dealing with documents. Paid tools like Grammarly or Academic Assistants don't even come close. Instead of using Photoshop's paid background removal, Remove.bg does it in one click. Clean cutouts, perfect edges, zero effort. Whether you're making thumbnails, product photos, or social media posts, this tool saves a ridiculous amount of time. Use cleanup.pictures. It removes unwanted objects with AI in seconds. No skill needed, no manual brushing. It's one of those tools that feels like magic. If you edit videos, DaVinci Resolve is a powerhouse. The free version gives you advanced color grading, multicam editing, VFX, noise reduction, and audio mixing. Basically what Premiere Pro charges for. Now, keep in mind, this software is heavy. You need a good PC to run it smoothly. But if you do, it's professional-grade free software. Inkscape is a perfect free alternative to Adobe Illustrator. Powerful, precise, and professional grade. You've heard of ChatGPT, but Perplexity is in its own league for research. It searches the internet, pulls real sources, cites everything, and gives you accurate, to-the-point results. People buy expensive AI tools for research, but Perplexity is free, fast, and brutally efficient. If you want truth backed by sources, this is the one. Tired of boring PowerPoints? Gamma creates full, clean, modern presentations from a single prompt. Slides, layout, design, everything is auto-generated. No need to pay for Canva Pro or PowerPoint templates. If you make client pitches or school presentations, this tool will save you a ton of time. Audio editing doesn't have to be expensive. Audacity lets you clean audio, remove noise, boost vocals, cut, trim, and master your voiceovers or podcasts. Lightweight, reliable, and timeless. This one's a must-have. Krita is a fully free professional-grade drawing software used by artists worldwide. You get advanced brushes, layers, animation tools, stabilizers, pressure-sensitive drawing, and a clean UI. The crazy part? It's open source, meaning no subscription, no watermark, no hidden limits. If someone wants a free alternative to Procreate or Adobe Illustrator for digital art, Krita is easily one of the best choices. Last but not the least, meet GIMP. This free software gives you almost everything you need for high-level editing without paying a single rupee. You get full support for layers, brushes, filters, masks, retouching tools, color correction, background removal, logo designing, thumbnail designing, and even digital painting. And that's the end of today's video. Your one like really motivates me to bring even more valuable tech content for you. Subscribe if you love useful tech videos. And we'll meet again in our tech recap. Or tap this next video on your screen. See you there.